Hello everybody, hello friends, it's me Jeo, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to take you with me on my flight from Munich to Singapore. We are flying with Singapore Airlines on their Airbus A350 and I'm so excited because we're flying business class. So come fly with me. And don't forget to stick around until the end of the video so you will see the whole business class experience. I'm going to show you the cabin, the business seat features, the onboard dining, and much more. But first, let's go to the lounge. Hi guys, we're at the Lufthansa Senator Lounge. We have around 1.5 hours before boarding and we will be having some light breakfast here before we finally take our flight. It's almost boarding time and we are flying the 10,000th Airbus ever manufactured. Come, let's check the plane. Now I'm going to show you the seat features of the business class product of Airbus 350. So I'm seated in seat 11F and this is the amount of space you get extra for sitting in the bulkhead seat. So as you can see, there's a full width padded bench compared to other seats which are not bulkhead. Here you have the mirror, and then when you arrive at your seat you get this eye shades, socks and slippers. This is a small compartment with the bottled water and the headphones for when you watch the movie. And this is the entertainment controls. Here you have the reading lights, your charging ports. There's another small compartment here, and this is how wide the seat is. And for the table, you just push to release. And this is how wide the table is. This is their tray table. It's height adjustable. You just need to push the tab to put it higher or lower, and you can also move it sidewards. Just depends how you would like it. And you can also pull it closer to you or a little bit further from you. It's quite flexible, more than enough space for your meals. And these are the seat controls. You have the lighting, the recline, the bed. When you call for the flight attendant, this is the footwell. Much space, more than enough. And aside from the reading light here on the right side, you also have these lights.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard SU327 to Singapore. Every passengers of our Star Alliance partner electronic devices must not be put in flight sail.
The slippers they provide by default is size small and medium, but in case you have a bigger feet, then by request you can ask for size large. In front of you there's a huge monitor, and there is a button that you can press so that you can tilt it whenever you are on a lying position. Then it's a better view for you, and you can also push it back in. And at the side here is some literature, which is the safety cards, in-flight Wi-Fi information, Chris Shop magazine, and of course the dining menu.
Welcome aboard Singapore Airlines. As the safety equipment on this aircraft may differ from that on other aircraft, please give us your attention as we bring you through this important safety briefing and on a journey through Singapore. On behalf of Singapore Airlines, we hope you have a great time on board as well as in Singapore or anywhere else in the world we take you.
So for the appetizer, I've just gotten the chicken satay, which is the trademark for Singapore Airlines.
For the appetizer, we had the beef pastrami with radish plantain. Would you like a glass of wine?
Oh yes, please.
Red or the white?
I'll have a wine.
The white wine.
Chablis.
Chablis, yes.
Wonderful, thank you.
Would you like to have this garlic bread or a roll?
I'll have a garlic bread.
Just one?
I have two.
Sure. Okay.
Great, thank you. So for my main course, I ordered a chicken roulade with some lentils. Bon appetit. I have a chocolate cake. Wonderful, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So for dessert, we were offered a choice of fruits, cake, and cheese. So I opted for cake. This one. And some fruits. I'm going to show you their amenity kit. The amenity kit of Singapore Airlines is from Penhaligons, established in London in 1870. This amenity kit is available upon request, and inside you will find some literature, which is like a description about the amenity kit, and then you get this facial mist, there's a lip balm, and a hand lotion. And what I like about their amenity kit is that it's also very practical yet simple, and you can always reuse this pouch. And aside from that, we have also received these very cute and lovely Singapore Airlines teddy bears, one boy and one girl. They're very cute, aren't they? When flying with Singapore Airlines, don't forget to order the Singapore Sling. Cheers! This is how you turn your seat into a flatbed. There's a latch at the back. It flips over, and there's a pillow and a duvet. These are the headphones, and inside there are some ear pad covers which are provided for use together with the headphones. And this is how it looks like when the covers are on, just to make sure that it's very hygienic for each passenger. So now it's time to watch a movie. This is the lavatory in business class of Singapore Airlines Airbus A350, and inside you'll get this fragrance, facial mist, hand lotion, and aside from that, in one of the drawers on the right where it says amenity, you will find some toothbrush, hair combs, shaver, shaving cream, sanitary napkin available for your use. Good morning, guys. It's around 2 hours before landing in Singapore, and now we're having breakfast. I've just had some fresh fruits and a blackberry yogurt bowl, and now I'm just waiting for my main course, which is the beef noodle soup. Hi guys, we have just arrived in Singapore in Changi Airport, and the flight we had was very smooth, comfortable and pleasant, and the service of Singapore Airlines flight attendants was really very friendly, very professional and seamless. I would definitely fly with them again. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed the business class experience with Singapore Airlines. But before I end this vlog, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel and lifestyle videos. Until next time, ciao!